Have you ever thought of creating a YouTube channel, but you don't want to show your face? Don't worry. In this video, I'm gonna share 12 great ideas for faceless YouTube channel that you can start from today and make a lot of money. Many of the channels with these ideas are making around $9,000 per month. So let's get started. The first faceless YouTube channel idea is celebrity news. With this type of channels, you can show videos that go around the trending news about celebrity life. To give you an example, let's look at a channel called Culture Covered. This channel has 115,000 subscribers with 354 videos. So in order to check if this channel is monetized, we can go to a website called ytlarge.com. In this website, we go to a section called YouTube Monetization Checker, and in this section, we paste the YouTube channel link. So now I put the channel link here for Culture Cover channel, and after a few seconds, it shows us that this channel is currently monetized. If we go back to the channel, we can see that the videos were uploaded with the oldest ones around 1 year ago, and one of the popular videos in this channel has 3.6 million views. Now let's go to see how much this channel is making every month. To do that, we go to a website called Social Blades. And as we can see, this channel is earning around $9,000 per month, which is amazing. But you have to keep in mind that for copyright issues, you cannot just use the whole videos from the other channels in your own channel. You can use a few second video clips, or you can use some photos and put them together to make a video with a voiceover. The voiceover can be your own voice, or you can use AI to do the job for you. The second faceless YouTube idea in this list is Walk With Me channels. This type of videos are easiest to make. What you need is a camera and just walking in the street in popular places. Now let's go to a channel which is called Strolling the City. As we can see, this channel has 93,000 subscribers, and we can see the popular videos which was uploaded 1 year ago with 3.4 million views. And to see if this channel is monetized, we can go back to ytlarge.com. And after a few seconds, we can see that this channel is monetized as well. Now let's go to Social Blade to see how much money this channel is making every month. By looking at this channel data, we can see that this channel is making around $8,000 per month, which is really great. The next one in this list is soccer-related channels. These channels are focused on showing the incredible moments in soccer world or the soccer celebrities. By looking at a channel called Shoot for Love, we can see that this one has 1.88 million subscribers with only 147 videos. If you look at the videos, we can see that the popular ones are uploaded 10 months ago and it has 11 million views. This type of soccer channel is only focused on the challenges in this sport. We can go here to this website ytlarge and see that this channel is monetized. According to this website, this channel is making around $200,000 per year. The fourth type of channel ideas in this list is 3D data channels. These are the channels that show the rankings in different categories. For example, if we look at a channel called World Data 3D, there are videos related to different rankings, like we can see that most valuable companies in the world 2021, richest wrestlers 2023, and if we look at some popular videos in this channel, we can see that one video's most valuable companies in the world 2021, which was uploaded a year ago, has 14 million views. Also, we can see this channel is making around $14,000 per month. The software needed for this type of channels is Blender and Adobe After Effects. Number 5 in this list is about interesting facts or discoveries. We can go to a YouTube channel called Brightside to show this kind of channel. In this one, we can see that there are 44 million subscribers, and with popular videos like the one here, 13 tips on how to survive wild animal attacks. and it was uploaded 6 years ago with 93 million views. Another example is the channel called Ultimate Fact, and as we can see it has around 800,000 subscribers, and the videos were uploaded around 4 years ago with 20 largest dogs in the world with 18 million views. Now let's go to number 6, which is a channel related to plant care. If you're interested in plants, you can start a YouTube channel by using your backyard or the space beside your kitchen window to show how you take care of the plants. As an example, we can go to this YouTube channel called The Green Earth. It has 153,000 subscribers. We can see that one of the videos was uploaded 2 years ago and it has 8.9 million views. And by looking at this video, we can see that the person is not showing her face and she's only showing her hands to show you how to grow the plants inside the water. And by looking at the monetization checker website, we can see that this is quite monetized and the earning is between $3,800 to $114,000 per year. Now let's go to number 7, magic tricks. In this type of videos, you don't need to show your face and you only show your hands to do some magic. There is one channel called MLT Magic Tricks and it has 500,000 subscribers. And while looking at the videos, especially the popular ones, we can see that one video which was uploaded 3 years ago has 3.2 million views. According to ytlarge.com, this channel is monetized and is earning in a range between $1,800 to $55,000 per year. Now let's go to number 8, which is ranking videos. There are many channels that show you the top 10 or top 5 of many interesting things like movies, vacation, restaurants, and so on. Now, for example, let's go to a channel called Top 5 Unknowns. As we can see, it has 2 million subscribers with the videos with 9.7 million views. So by looking at the YT Large website, we can see that this is monetized and this channel is making from $21,000 to $631,000 per year, which is amazing for this type of videos. Now let's go to number 9, silent vlogging. In this kind of videos, you don't need to show your face and you can just record the things you do every day in your daily life. For example, let's check this YouTube channel called Tina's Life. This channel has 500,000 subscribers with only 45 videos. This video, What I Eat in a Day, Japanese Office Worker, which was uploaded 3 years ago, has 10 million views. The next one, number 10 in our list, is scary stories. In this type of videos, you create a horror story by putting some photos together and a voiceover. If you look at the website Bizarre Bob, which has 1.75 million subscribers, and if you look at some popular videos, we can see, for example, a scary compilation in 2021 is created by adding photos, text, and some short video clips. Another example in this niche is Whisper Diaries YouTube channel. If we look at the videos here, we can see that 1 hour of rainy alone at work horror stories. This video shows several photos with some rainy effect on the photos to make them more visually appealing. And then there is a voiceover that tells a horror story. If you go to YT Large channel, we can see that this channel is monetized and is estimated to be earning between $8,300 to $248,000 by creating these horror stories. Number 11 in this list is movie recap YouTube channels. These channels focuses on showing an interesting or great recap of some favorite movies. These recaps are around 10 to 15 minutes with a voiceover telling the story. For example, you can see here a video called An Ex-Cop Got Tough and Started Taking Down Criminals. And we can see the popular videos like The Bullies Have No Idea That the New Student They Are, and it was uploaded 2 years ago with 3.4 million views. And if you look at the ytlarge.com website, we can see that the Recap King is monetized and is earning between $45,000 to $1.3 million per year. Number 12 in this list is science experiment faceless YouTube channels. In this type of videos, you just need to show your hands and do the science experiments. There is one YouTube channel called Fun Science, And if you look at it, it has around 700,000 subscribers. And if you look at the videos here, for example, one which was uploaded 3 years ago with 35 million views. So if you look at the ytlarge.com website for monetization checking, we can see that this is quite monetized and it's earning between $15,000 to $470,000 per year. Here's the end of the 12 great ideas for faceless YouTube channels. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video and share it with others. And also, check out the other videos I've put in my channel for you.